My name is Dr. Samuel Wesley. So I am the Associate Professor and Head of the Department of History at Srimati CHM College, that is in India. And my PhD thesis was on women's studies. So I specialize in gender studies and theological history. So I completed my PhD on women's studies and minor research projects on theological history. So that is my academic profile. So I'm heading the department and in charge of foundation course also and coordinator for travel and tourism in the college.
Thank you, sir. And now let's just come to our next question.
Yes.
What was your motivation during the COVID era? For the research you have presented, your topic was the contribution of education in contemporary India.
Yes.
Motivation during that period, sir?
Yeah. My topic was the contribution of education in contemporary. As you know, madam, our country has completed 75 years of independence. So education has a very important role to play in the development of our country. So India is a very vast and populated country, and education only can transform it from a developing nation to a developed nation. Regarding the motivation, yes, man, you're right. COVID was a very tough time. Many friends and people known to me passed away, but still the show must go on, and we in education, we could continue our work because we had access to technology, and so we could do on our research and carry on our research. So even during the COVID period, because of access to technology, access to resources, I could continue my research, and motivation for the conference was to interact with the diverse international speakers and researchers. So that was my motivation.
Thank you for that, sir. Would you like to put some light on the topic you have presented at the conference?
Yeah. My topic was contribution of education in contemporary India. So as I just mentioned, our country completed its 75 years of independence, and in that journey, education has played a very important role in the development. The government schemes are there, like the midday meal scheme is there, the Operation Blackboard scheme is there. Then there are private initiatives also, teachers who take the initiative, go to rural areas, to give their heart and soul to the students. Students are very teary-eyed when those teachers are transferred back to some other place. So it empowers, education empowers, and due to that our country is on the path from a developing nation to a developed nation. So that was what my topic was about.
Thank you for that, sir. Now let's just come to our next question. What was your opinion on attending an online conference rather than the physical one?
Of course, physical presence and attending offline does make a big difference. But in COVID period, social distancing had to be maintained. So virtual platform was a very good alternative to continue research, to attend a conference, to interact with diverse speakers, to interact with them and get a chance to see their research. So it was a good online experience. It was a good alternative. The virtual platform was a good alternative.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you for the opinion, sir. Now, would you like to suggest or encourage your friends or family to attend the conference of Eurasia Research?
Yes, definitely, madam. Eurasia Research conference was very well organized, very prompt, right from the beginning. Yes, yourself and all the organizers and Dr. Flora Charles was very prompt in her communication right from the beginning. And I had the opportunity of attending and listening to President Dr. Marek Matayun and many others there from the international fraternity. Definitely, I would encourage to attend the Eurasia conferences, especially those who cannot travel, women or the age senior citizens, or those are multiple responsibilities. The online Eurasia conferences are very well organized. Definitely, I will encourage my friends to and colleagues to attend this conference.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. So, would you like to attend it again?
Definitely. I would like to. I have received an invitation again for a keynote for Dubai, and I'm looking forward to it. I would like to attend it again.
Thank you, sir. It's the pleasure of all ours. Thank you.
Thank
now,
you so
sir, what was your positive feedback about our conference?
Feedback is a positive feedback. It was very well organized, and right from the beginning, communication was very prompt. Everything was on time, started on time, The resources were given on time, information was given on time, and there was no delay or no lag, and very well organized. I got a chance to interact with the international fraternity and get a chance to see their research as well. Very enriching experience. So that is my positive feedback of the conference.
Thank you, sir. And so, what are your future plans? What are you planning now?
Now, with regard to our academics, now we are in the middle of the exam season,
Yes.
and so right now that is there. And but I do want to continue my research in continue the research which I had done on theological history, women's history, women's studies, and diversify into broader areas also, the contribution of education. Uh, so these are the future plans for my research.
Okay, thank you, sir. We are very excited to see you again in our conferences.
Yes, same here, madam. I'm really excited to see you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much. Thank you for
Thank
your
you so
time,
much.
sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, man. Wish you the same. Good day.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, okay, okay. Bye. Bye.